Hello, Sir Felipe. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Rayman here. So, ito sir, unboxing and testing natin sir yung isa sa mga unit na order nyo. The Umarex Glock 17 Gen 5 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay. So, ito sir. Yan po. Okay. So, ayan, yung Allen wrench para dun sa pag-adjust ng hop-up and some manuals. Okay. So, yung unit. So, this unit, ito na yung latest version. Okay. Ayan, so meron na siyang front serration. Okay. So, removing the magazine. Okay, so ito yung magazine. Meron siyang Glock ng markings, no? Okay. So, official, so dito, official licensed product of Glock. Okay? Okay. So, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Unless you're going to pull the trigger na. Okay? Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay? So, for the magazine, lagyan natin ng gas. Okay. And BB. Yan yung... Okay. Konti lang. Testingin lang naman natin. So, to for the accuracy test, for the FPS test and blowback. FPS and blowback test. Alright. Inserting the magazine. Pulling back, rocking back the slide, and firing. Okay, solid. 314.7. 317.1. 311.7. 310.1. Okay, so for the blowback and the FPS, okay naman. So ngayon, proceed tayo sa accuracy test. So the target box is 2.3 meters away and the target size is 2 inches in diameter. Okay, so ang bibigay ko sa inyo is first row, third from the left. Okay, so first row, third from the left. 1, 2, 3. Yun, kasi sa first row, yun na lang yung bakante. Okay, so yun na yung bibigay ko sa inyo for this unit. Okay, so to, test fire natin. Okay, so halos lahat nasa center. Picturean ko na lang, then send ko sa inyo siya. Okay, so ayan, nag-open na yung slide. Removing the magazine. Ng bala. Okay, so para bumalik, pull back the slide. Para ma-release yung slide catch. And then hammer down. Okay, so ayun sir, okay na to. Then testingin ko next yung M4 RIS version 3 ni WE. Okay, so ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great. Be good and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.